Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful pizza sauce that is easy, healthy and delicious. We'll be making now a fresh pizza sauce from fresh tomatoes, shallots, green onions, garlic, salt, oregano and mountain oregano, we call in Greek thymari, or in Arabic we call za'atar jabali. In a large non-stick pan we add the shallots in the hot oil. Once golden brown we add our green onions and we add our garlic and we cook together. After a couple of minutes, we add our chopped tomatoes. Then we add a cup of water and we cover and let cook for about half an hour. After a good 25 minutes on high heat, we add our herbs and spices. We lower the temperature and we keep for 10 minutes. Now after 25 minutes on medium fire, this is what we should have. We remove and let it cool. Now we have two options. Either we leave the sauce like that, or with a blender we blend it until it is like a paste. Now of course if you're cooking for kids, you don't want to show any vegetables and herbs. So this is what you should do if you're cooking for kids.